Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we will see that how to implement circuit breaker pattern in ASP.NET Core, and this pattern protects your system from repeatedly calling something that is already failing, such as it may be your downstream APIs, it may be your database related queries, payment gateway, or might be your microservices as well. Okay, so instead of letting your service keep trying endlessly and making things worse, it detects repeated failures. Okay, open the circuits. After that, it stops further calls temporarily, and along with that lets the failing dependency recover, and after that then consciously allows calls again. Okay, so like it behaves like an electrical circuit breaker. When too much load hits, it trips down. So this is how circuit breaker pattern looks like in the ASP.NET Core. Okay, so let's go through the things one by one, that what you need to hear. Okay, so before the things start here, okay, so let me introduce the code that I have added here for and to explain you the things about the circuit breaker pattern. Okay, and we will add the circuit breaker pattern circuit breaker pattern in this existing code. Okay, like this is a very few steps that we need to add. After that we will be able to work with the circuit breaker pattern in the APIs. Okay, so this is the test controller that I have defined here, and we will call this API, or this call is using the services from the weather services. Okay, and if I go there you will see that we are trying to access and another API through this service, which is the weather forecast controller from the forecast controller. Okay, and if I go there you will see that this is the get method that I am trying to access through the APIs. Okay, or thereafter let me show you the things in the program CS. Or here you will see that I have registered my HTTP client in the program CS. Okay, or this is the or and the service is registered with the scoped. So like this is how the things that I have added here. Or now let's move to see the results that like what we are getting the results through the things. Okay, or we will see that like why we need the circuit breaker pattern in the uh, APIs. Okay, so let's run this API. Okay, or we will see that what's the result that we are getting here. So the results that we will get here, I think the application is okay. So the application is running successfully, or it will take a few seconds to give the response, or collecting the response from the APIs. So you will see that that we are getting the results in the JSON format, or the API is working successfully. But now what you need to hear, so you see that I have added like I have registered my HTTP client. Okay, or somehow like I am trying to change the URL like this. Okay, or if I just save this request, okay, save this file. Okay, or thereafter like now let's rerun the API. Okay, now let's resend the request. Okay, so we will see that what's the what's the thing that we are getting here. So you will see that no connection could be made because the target machine actively refused it. Okay, so like this is how we will get the response without the circuit breaker pattern. Okay, or whenever and users will try to get the response continuously repeatedly. Okay, or you will see that the resource is also using at this movement. Okay, so like this is how we need the circuit breaker pattern here. Okay, or to stops the recursively calls as well. Okay, in case of downtime. Okay, so so you saw that so this port is it is in a downtime. Okay, or now let's add the circuit breaker pattern. Okay, so that we can understand that how the things that goes with the circuit breaker pattern. Okay, so you see that I have added the HTTP client. Okay, or we need to configure few more things in this thing. Okay, so so now let's add the things one by one here. Okay, so I will add the add transient. So before the things started, like you need to add a package. Okay, so in your application, which is the let me show you the package. What the name the package is, Polly package. Okay, so Microsoft.Extensions.Http.Polly. Make sure that this package is installed already in your application while you trying to add your circuit breaker pattern in the existing code. Okay, so this package is very necessary to implement the things regarding circuit breaker pattern. Let me repeat you again that which is the Microsoft.Extensions.Http.Polly. Okay, now let's add the code regarding the policy. Okay, so like now let's see that how the things should I have add here. Okay, so the I will initialize the policy like this. Okay, after that what you need to here, so the policy dot wait and try async. Okay, or I will add the three retries here. Okay, or the retry attempt that I want to mention here. Okay, or like it is totally based on the time based. Okay, so just add the time like this. Okay, so from seconds. Okay, after that I will add the uh, like response time as well. Okay, okay, so like math dot power, or it should be the the two power of the retry attempts. Okay, so after the things that you have added here. Okay, now let's close it here. Okay, or now add the another transient policy that I want to add here, which is the policy that I want to add here. Or now after now whenever the APIs try for the three times. Okay, or still the things goes worse. Okay, so now let's introduce the circuit breaker here. Okay, or it will open your circuit for the 30 seconds. Okay, so now let's open your circuit for the 30 seconds. In this time duration your service won't work. Okay, or it will give you the a circuit breaker exception as well. Okay, so now let's run the API. Okay, now or we will see that we have added the base addresses correctly. Okay, or the things should work because everything is looking good. Okay, or now let's move to the HTTP file, or we will see that how the things goes with the circuit breaker pattern. Okay, so you will see that we are getting the response in a very good manner. Okay, or it is working fine. Okay, now let's get the exceptions or now let's down your service like this. Okay, so we have changed the port. Okay, or this or we are ensuring that this port is it is down. Okay, now the application is running successfully, or we will see the exception that we are getting here. Okay, and we will continuously checking the logs as well. Like we will check that it will try to it will give it will try to access the response three times as well. Okay, so the things should also confirm here. Okay, you will see that it will try to access the results for the three times. Okay, so that it is for the first time. Okay, after that it is for the second time, or it will retry another time. Okay, so okay, so this is the third time. After, so in the fourth time it will give me an exception. Okay, or the exception will be like a circuit breaker exception. Okay, so you will see that circuit is now open and it is not allowing calls. Okay, or now let's check that it is still allowing me or not. Okay, so let's move here. Now let's send a request. Okay, so it will give me exception immediately, or you will see that circuit is open now and no, it is not allowing you calls. Okay, so it means that you won't be able to using using the resources. Okay, So this is how the like a circuit breaker pattern is very helpful. Okay, whenever you work with the microservices, payment gateways, okay, and other kind of things. Okay, and you will see that now the circuit is closed now. Okay, or this is how like it is taking time to respond again. Okay, or it is still so you will see that circuit is again open. So this is how like we have implemented the circuit breaker pattern in the speed.net core. Or if you love this video and if you love this content, so I just want to request you that please subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video to your friends, your colleagues on network as well, and hit the like button. Or now let's start implementation the circuit breaker pattern in your application. Okay, to keep your application safe, or like and keep protect to go worse. Okay, so thank you for watching this video till here, or till then take care guys, bye bye, have a good day.